Hi students, let us see another important topic is solving non-homogeneous systems of linear equations, and this is one of the most important essay type question. Here, what do you mean by non-homogeneous and linear equations? If the equations are in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. Here, all the equations are consisting the variables x, y, z. Here, the degree of any variable is 1. That means, if the degree is 1, the equations are said to be linear equations. And also, the constants are d1, d2, d3. There are some values. Here, degrees of all the terms are not equal. So, that means these equations are said to be non-homogeneous. Finally, the equations are called non-homogeneous linear equations. Now, let us see solution of these three non-homogeneous linear equations. The solution can be found in three different methods. In those, first method is Cramer's rule, second is matrix inversion method, third one is Gauss-Jordan method. Now let us see procedure of Cramer's rule. It is invented by mathematician Cramer, so that it is called Cramer's rule. First of all, we have to find the value of delta. Delta is equal to determinant of, take all the coefficients, coefficient of x, y, z, that is a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, and a3, b3, c3. By finding this determinant value is called delta. And similarly, if we go for delta 1, in the first column, replaced a1, a2, a3 with constants, that is d1, d2, d3, and the remaining are same, that is b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3, and the value of this determinant is called delta 1. Then go for delta 2. Here delta 2 means we can exchange second column as constants, that is d1, d2, d3, and the remaining value same. First column a1, a2, a3, third column c1, c2, c3, and this value is delta 2. And finally, find the value of delta 3. Here, change third column as constants, that is d1, d2, d3, and the remaining two columns are same. First column a1, a2, a3, second column b1, b2, b3, so that value is delta 3. After finding delta, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, the final solution is, we get x value from delta 1 by delta, and y value from delta 2 by delta, and z value from delta 3 by delta. And this is the solution of given non-homogeneous linear equations. Now let us see example based on Cramer's rule. Here given non-homogeneous equations are 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 9, x plus y plus z is equal to 6, x minus y plus z is equal to 2. And these are the equations 1, 2, 3 or given equations. Now let us find first delta. Delta is equal to, and take a coefficient matrix directly, that is 2, minus 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 2. Here to find a determinant, take the first row, that is 2 into, and determinant of 1, 1, minus 1, 1. Minus of minus 1 into determinant of 1, 1, 1, 1. Plus 3 into determinant of 1, 1, 1, minus 1. So by calculating this, 2 into 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1. Minus of minus 1 is 1 and determinant 1 minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 minus 1, that is equal to 4 plus 0 minus 6 is equal to minus 2. This is the value of delta. Delta 1. Here delta 1 also similar as delta, but replace first column. What is the first column in delta? 2, 1, 1 as constants. That is 9, 6, 2 from given equations 9, 6, 2. Now let us find delta 1 value, that is 9 into 1, 1 minus 1, 1 and minus of minus 1 into 6, 1, 2, 1 plus 3 into 6, 1, 2 minus 1. By simplification, 9 into 1 plus 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 into 6 minus 2 plus 3 into minus 6 minus 2, that is equal to 18 plus 4 minus 24 is equal to minus 2. This is value of delta 1. And same as delta 1, next find out delta 2. Here change second column as a constant. Here in the previous one, second column minus 1, 1 minus 1. Here it is 9, 6, 2 and remaining are same as delta. So that is equal to 2 into 6, 1, 2, 1 minus 9 into 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 3 into 1, 6, 1, 2. By simplification, 2 into 6 minus 2 minus 9 into 1 minus 1 plus 3 into 2 minus 6, that is equal to 8 minus 0 minus 12 is equal to minus 4. This is the value of delta 2. Now let us find delta 3, that is change the third column as constants, that is 9, 6, 2 and remaining values are same. Let us find the determinant. 2 into determinant of 1, 6 minus 1, 2 and minus of minus 1 into determinant of 1, 6, 1, 2 plus 9 into 1, 1, 1 minus 1. By simplifying this, 2 into 2 plus 6 plus 1 into 2 minus 6 plus 9 into minus 1 minus 1, that is equal to 16 minus 4 minus 18 equal to minus 6. This is the value of delta 3. Now we have to find x, y, z values. What is the formula for x? Delta 1 by delta. Delta 1 value already we are finding that minus 2 and delta value minus 2. Minus 2 by minus 2, 1. X value is 1. And y value, delta 2 by delta. What is the delta 2 value? Minus 4. And delta value minus 2. That is equal to 2. And y value is 2. And finally, z is equal to delta 3 by delta. Delta 3 value minus 6. Delta value minus 2. That is equal to 3. Here x value 1, y value 2, z value 3 is the solution for given non-homogeneous linear equations.